Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for a Dollar Tree DIY. So this is going to be two different DIYs, pretty similar. I got two of the gray cat dishes. They've got this rubber so it doesn't go sliding around. And I also have one of these candle holders. I've got a couple of tea lights as well. All of this was from the Dollar Tree. I got this tea light holder, super cute. I have a bottle of seashells, and then a bag of the white sand. I cut off the label already. It looks like this, sand sable, and it is white. So I'm gonna build both of them. No hot glue, no nothing needed. I'm gonna stick that right in the center there. And then I'm gonna stick this one also in the center. Move this so you could see it. And then I'm gonna take some and put some of that sand right in here. Get that nice and lined up there. I think I could put a little bit more. This would be perfect for outdoor party, maybe a little beach bathroom like I have. And I'm just gonna turn these on and put this in there while I have it. I'm gonna kind of just stick it in there. This one can go on or off whenever you want it to. Just like that. Now we're gonna take some of these little guys and we're gonna add them in here. Like, wouldn't this be just super cute for a beach wedding? I'm just gonna get that off of there. And then, this is so quick, so easy. Let's do this one first. We're just gonna take that sand, pour it around there. Make sure we have enough sand. I'll do the same here. I mean, you could not do these like as a wedding centerpiece for this price. You couldn't even rent them for this price. And they're heavy enough where they're gonna hold down your tablecloths, right? We're just going around here. We're gonna use that whole bag for two. And obviously I could have done that much faster if I would have just poured it in quickly. And then you're just gonna take these and just kind of lay them around here. Have them sticking out, have them upside down, have them all different ways, just like you would find them laying on a beach. And then the same here. And you can keep a couple just to lay around for your table scape if you want. But you are not going to believe how cute this is and how cute it would look in, like I said, a bathroom. I'm just going to add the rest of these. Adorable. And let's go ahead and show you how adorable are these. Look at how cute that is. And it's cute all the way around. Right? Same here. And then inside. You guys, I hope you like this. I think I love it. I'll definitely, one will be going in my bathroom for sure. Not sure where the other one is, if it's going to go out on the table or also in the bathroom or in a tiered tray. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you are glad to see my DIYs again. I will talk to you later. Bye.